Hello friends, this is Prem Kumar, your network marketing mentor, and today we are going to get clarity on one point. That is, many people have asked me, sir, what is the right way to plug into my network marketing business? Yes, let me repeat that question. What is the right way to plug into my network marketing business? And today we will go deeply into this point and understand how each and every one of you who have started your business with a network marketing company can plug into the system successfully and reach out to the success and to grow the business in a big way. So, when you start a network marketing business, let me tell you, every company, they have a proven system. Please underline the word called system. Every company have done sufficient research and they have evolved to prepare a system which works for that plan and that product and that company and to that market situation. And when you enroll in any network marketing company, you must follow the system which is already prevailing there. That would be the best way to start the business, which means let's break it down. So when you sign up in your company, the company will tell you a step-by-step process through which you can build your business. It's always good and highly recommended not to question them in the initial stages because we do not know how that company has been performing and how the system is working, because when you sign up in a company, everything is new to you. So it's always better and highly recommended to follow whatever has been suggested. There will be a set of things which will be told to you, like changing your dress code, your way of talking to people, they may suggest a lot of changes in you, and if you blindly accept that without questioning and follow the successful applying the one who is giving you the guidelines, gradually you will be able to plug in yourself into the system, because this business, network marketing business, depends on effective duplication, and duplication is the key to the success in network marketing business. So the moment you come into the system, you must always think about copying whatever has been taught to you. That is, learn the system from your company or the education or whatever means it is possible. Learn it, then you apply it, you do it yourself, because by learning you get the theoretical knowledge. By applying it, you will be able to gain the practical experience as well. And when you learn it and apply it and gain the experience, then you are qualified to share that authentically to your team members. Let me tell you, you learn it, you do it, then you teach it. This is the golden triangle of learning. So learn, do, and teach. So most of the people, those who fail in network marketing business, the basic reason always is that they are not ready to learn, and sometimes even if they learn, they don't want to apply. Let me tell you a few examples. Like when you sign up in a network marketing company, they will ask you to make a list of people, list of 100, 200 people. That's the resource from where you will begin your journey as an entrepreneur with a network marketing business. But then, if you question them or if you have a lot of ego, usually the ego does not allow the person to accept anything new and always sometimes makes them to question everything. This will only become a hindrance for such a person to grow in a network marketing business. Let me tell you, network marketing business is one of the most simplest form of business anybody can plug into. So as an entrepreneur, when you begin your journey in a network marketing company, always make sure that you learn whatever is taught to you. You do it without questioning in the beginning, because you do not know why it has been told to be followed. So then once you apply that, with that knowledge, you will be able to teach it. So learn, do, teach, and simply follow the system, whatever is prevailing in that company. This will help you to establish your business with lesser time if you start experimenting everything and start applying your previous knowledge. Because whenever anybody comes into network marketing, the first problem every person faces is to unlearn. We have learned a certain way of doing things. We have learned a certain way of looking at things, certain way of communicating with people. But then when you come into a network marketing business, you should be ready to drop all those things for a while. Keep aside your educational qualification, your experience, everything aside, and listen to the person who is guiding you. If you're able to listen to that person, definitely you will be able to apply your knowledge at a later stage and enrich that and give it to more number of people in your organization. Let me give you a very, very simple example. I had been to Singapore. And in Singapore, whenever you go to any tourist spot, it may be Sentosa, it may be the bird park or any location in Singapore, you always, the moment you reach there, you are given a road map, a complete map of the property. And that clearly explains to you what is available, what kind of amusement, what kind of games or shows are going on in different places. With that map, anybody with a little bit of a knowledge will be able to travel across and enjoy all the features of the amusement park or any kind of tourist location. Similarly, when you come into network marketing business, instead of you doing all the research and inventing your own system, which is mostly ego driven, it's always better to drop your experience and your ego and to blindly follow the person who is guiding you, just like the example I gave you about my Singapore visit. That is the way applying a sponsor will guide you just like a map. And if you simply follow that and take that from someone, apply it and then share it to the next generation, the people whom you bring into the business. Let me tell you this, if you are not ready to follow the system, if you are out of the track, the people whom you bring into the business, mostly if you are out of the track, you will be out of the business within 1 or 2 months. And because of you, you will not be able to even bring in more people. So when you bring in somebody into the business, if you are following the track, if you are in the right track and following the system, they will also look at you and they will do the same thing. If you are off track, definitely the people whom you are going to bring in, you will lose the authenticity, you will lose the right to guide them because you yourself are not following. A great leader is always a great learner and a great follower, right? So this is how you can comfortably and very, very easily plug in yourself into your company's network marketing business, and that way you will be able to build your business very, very easily, effortlessly, with a little bit of a smart work and a hard work, and become highly successful in your network marketing business. So see you in the next video with another amazing question and answer session. This is Prem Kumar, your network marketing mentor, signing off.